What's up guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs. So we have a new 2020 Jeep Gladiator build that we're gonna go, there's a bug. There was a fly or something and I wonder if I saw that. What's up guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and right behind me you have a new 2020 Jeep Gladiator build that Krietz Customs just got done building. We're gonna go over the build, the features of the Rubicon, and see why you're gonna love this Jeep. To go over the build, we first installed a 2.5-inch rough country lift kit. This lift kit does come with shocks, but since the Rubicons on these do come with Fox shocks, we decided not to install those because what would be the point in that? It also allowed us just to raise it up and give it a more aggressive look, as you can see, and also allowed a bigger wheel and tire package, which the wheel is going to be a 22x12 Fuel Contra with the D615 with the gloss black and milled finish. It's going to have a -44 offset, which is a nice concave look. It's also going to stick out your wheel and tire package from the fenders a decent amount, which is going to be several inches. So I put my hand there and you can see just how much it sticks out. Or I'm also going to stick it out this way, just to another view. So you can see it does stick out a decent amount and it'll give you a nice aggressive look. The Fuel Contras are probably one of our most popular wheels because we've been putting them on a lot of our own inventory vehicles and also a lot of our customer vehicles, and they just look great on pretty much every vehicle that we've been putting them on. The tire is going to be a 37-12-50R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The Ridge Grappler is a all-terrain tire that is going to give you a nice aggressive look and give you that mud terrain feel, giving you a nice performance off-road, but also going to give you a nice experience on-road with a nice quiet ride. This tire is not very loud at all. So if you guys already have a Gladiator and you want yours built like this, go ahead and send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or give us a call 301-694-4642 and we'll go ahead and get you hooked up. But if you guys are interested in this specific Jeep Gladiator, go ahead and keep watching. We're going to go over the features and I'll give you instructions later. So I'm going to go ahead quickly to show you some of the interior features. The first thing is going to be your tan leather seats. I think these tan seats are going to be a nice complement to the white exterior, and it's nice to have something other than black leather seats sometimes. First, I'm going to go over the navigation. I like how it has it set up, the work and home shortcuts, and also just having how it's nice and clean set up and just very simple to use. Your apps menu is going to have like all your options that you can access pretty much on your screen, but then they're all in one spot, so you can just rearrange them to however you think you would like them. So you can just move, click and drag and rearrange those however you like. The next thing is going to be your both driver and passenger are going to have heated seats. Your driver is going to have heated steering wheel, and also you have a backup camera, which when you turn the steering wheel, it's going to give you the lines to show you where you will be going. The last thing is going to be that this radio does have Sirius Xm, so if those are something you find value in, that's going to be a nice thing to have. For the buttons, you're going to have your heated steering wheel and heated seat buttons down here as well, so you're not having to go through the screen. And you're also going to have auto off, so whenever you come to a stop, your car is going to turn off and you'd be saving some fuel there. You're also going to have your parking sensors. You can turn those on and off whether or not you like them or not. And adaptive cruise control, so if you're going on the interstate, you can have that set, and then you won't have to be slowing down when a vehicle comes in front of you, or if you're going down a hill, that's not something you're going to have to worry about. And the next option we're going to go over is the four-wheel drive and some of the features that you can do with that. The one thing is that you can lock your axles, so you can do just the front or rear, but you do have to be in four-wheel drive for that, and also you can disengage your sway bar links. Next thing is that you do have auxiliary buttons, so if you do plan on putting LED bars, you do have your options for all of those. Oh, I just zoomed in, that's pretty cool. That sums up this Jeep Gladiator and all the cool features that it has, including our build. So if you guys do like this vehicle, you can check it out on our inventory at KrietzAuto.com. You'll see some pictures and all the information you'll ever need. And then you can also go ahead and fill out an application to get your purchase underway. So you check that out at KrietzAuto.com, or you just go ahead and send us a message on Facebook or give us a call. We can't wait to help you out.